Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious rice noodle stir-fry. First, let's get those noodles ready. Take your dried rice noodles and place them in a bowl of warm water for about 10 minutes. You want them to be pliable but not mushy, so be careful not to oversoak them. Once they are soft, drain them completely and set them aside. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your finished dish, ensuring they absorb the sauce beautifully. Now that your noodles are prepped, let's get the rest of your ingredients ready. Slice your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or tofu, into thin, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Next, chop up your favorite vegetables like vibrant bell peppers, crisp carrots, and tender snap peas. The key to a great stir-fry is having all your components prepped and within reach before you even turn on the heat. This ensures a smooth and efficient cooking experience. The sauce is truly the heart of any good stir-fry, so let's craft a delicious one. In a small bowl, combine about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a dash of white pepper to balance the flavors perfectly. Whisk all these ingredients together until they are completely smooth. This flavorful mixture will coat your noodles and vegetables beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together in the wok. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. First, stir-fry your protein until it's nearly cooked through, then toss in your prepared vegetables. Once the vegetables are crisp tender, add your rehydrated rice noodles and pour in the delicious sauce. Toss everything vigorously for about 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are hot and perfectly coated. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.